All right, this is the Harvest Moon Oil Pastel Project. First you draw your imaginary windows on your construction paper. Now in the directions it says to use medium blue construction paper, but I'm using yellow so that you can see this on the camera. You got your imaginary windows once again, number your squares 1, 2, 3, 4. And the center of all 4 squares you're going to draw a circle for the moon. Now I'm using a Sharpie so that you can see this, but you'll be using a pencil. So the students will draw a circle in all 4 squares. And then next, I'm going to do a line like this that indicates there'll be a lighter color reflected around the moon. So this is a broken line, or an invisible line, to show that there'll be a lighter shade of the sky. Next, I'm going to put in the dividing color inside the moon to separate it. And in square 1, I'm going to draw the background in square 1, going into square 4, and up into square 2. So that's the background line for the back tree line. And then there'll be another line for the middle tree line right here, or the middle ground. There we go. I'll just draw it right here. So there'll be a background line that goes over the moon, and then another line for the trees coming to the front part. And then I'm going to, now in the directions I draw the corn stalks in square 3, but I'm going to go ahead in square 2 and 4 and draw the scarecrow. So in square number 2, I'm going to start with a scarecrow's hat, which is kind of like a broken off triangle, the rim of the hat. Then the letter V underneath the triangle, another V, parallel, and then down for his overalls, a rectangle, a line in the center, a square here for the tag, rectangle and square. Well, I'm using the horizontal line, see, in square 2 and 4, so I'll make a rectangle here coming out of the scarecrow. I'm going to use a horizontal line here in square 2 and 4 for the other arm, and then connect the shirt into the overalls, straw for the hands, little straw you can come out of his hat if you want. Now I have my scarecrow drawn in square 2 and 4, and I can start drawing the stalks, the corn stalks, in the foreground. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then I do curvy ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see, let me put one here. 6. So I don't overdo the lines because you have to draw the leaves and the top part of the corn stalks, which look like this. Little lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Little lines like that indicate the corn stalks. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Just little hatch lines. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can do this in my sleep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Down. And then the corn stalks themselves are just curved U's like this. Broken, curved, dried leaves that go in front of the tree line that's back there. So I just draw random leaves on each stalk like this. Droopy. Very simple. Keep it simple. and talk to the kids about overlapping. For the older kids especially, it's when the leaves, one leaf goes over the other, and patterns overlapping. So let me go quicker. I'm going to draw this really fast so we won't spend time looking at this for 10 minutes. And while I'm drawing this, there'll be stars. The kids put circles for the stars in the background. They can make them as big as they want. They don't have to be tiny because it will take forever to color. So tell them to keep them pretty nice size so that they can color white inside of them with their oil pastel. See how I'm scribbling this in. Okay, now the stars. And all of square 1 and 2. I'm just randomly putting stars, drawing pretty big because I don't want to spend forever coloring white stars on a dark blue sky. Next will be the coloring with the oil pastels.